what up? I'm Dora. Let's go explore some shit.
Can you find the hooker?
Come on.
But I'm only 7.
Yo, what up? I'm Dora. Let's go explore some shit. Can you find the Ratchet?
Bitch, you call me Ratchet? Ow! You're crinkling the map.
Ha 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 ha. You mad or nah? Fuck nigga don't want war. Them things go rah.
She's hot. No, this is my cousin.
Oh, we got homework on the weekend. Did I finish? Bitch, is you stupid? You think I did it? Ratchet ass girl, you don't need love and affection. 12 baby daddies, bitch, you need some damn protection. Ill, girl, you stink. Girl, your booty stank, you make me sick just like a virus. With that droopy ass booty, I think I call you Miley Cyrus. Ill, bitch, you stink.
Some good ass chicken. Yeah, girl, I cut the bitch.
Right now I'm regular Robbie, then bam, sassy. Then bam again, sassy. I'm a sassy animal. Bam.
I hate her.
You hate Susie too?
People, let me tell you about my best friend.
Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena. Hey. Yeah yo, all I know is yeah yo. Every time she hit the. For the young, like everybody now, they ain't looking at everybody. Now everybody fuck around finna get signed, huh?
Do you speak any English?
I got a Starbucks before school today, and now on Instagram I pic.
Get a vanilla shake. So weird! So weird!
All I do is fuck bitches and get money, dig?
Fuck yeah, you're such a peg.
Fuck you, Dora.
Oh, my nigga.
Name a part of a woman's body that's usually larger than a man's.
That ass. That ass.
Surfboard.
Nerf sword. Turf war. Birth porn.
You ready?
Yeah.
This my sister. Hi.
I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world. Still hitting them counters in them lolos, girl. Still taking my time to.
I'm a boss ass bitch. Bitch. I'm a.
My life be like.
You're a
Forget you!
Girl, don't you listen to him.
Girl, here's something about you.
What's up, midgets?
What did you say?
What?
Now fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Now fuck that bitch.
And for the birthday boy.
Go, shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like.
Yo, I'm calling the hot.
No! You trying to date Nat? You trying to get on the ground?
Ew, that's a fly.
Girl with that mouth, dude. Nothing for you, boo-boo. Wait, bitch, I got J's. Are they OGs, my nigga? Yeah, word.
Wake up. Trying to see some fish titties. All you do is talk about some fish titties. Say something else. Titties. Let's go. Oh, shit. That motherfucker did it. The fuck?
Wait.
Okay.
Wait.
Goddamn!